friends, running kimono. So no Walgreens preview yet because they haven't released the ad. Still waiting on that, and whenever it happens, I'll get a quick video out for you guys. So I went to the Dollar General. Lots of their summer stuff, gardening, pool stuff, summer fun in the sun. It all hit like a weird clearance today where it was like 90% off of the sticker price. So this whole table I think was like $7 out of pocket. Pretty wild. I'll show you what I got, and I have a little bit of everything. And the weather report for you guys, we have little Black Beauty out here. Hi to my mom if she's watching. Hope she's having a great day. And before I dive into this is probably a deal anyone can do. Over at Big Lots, if you have a store card in a Big Lots, the coupon's automatically on your card for 1 free DVD. So I would absolutely pounce on this deal this weekend, especially it's a very inexpensive stocking stuffer for Christmas. So there you have that. Over at the Dollar General, this is taking place right up until Sunday, where they have another clearance event for summer goods. So the first item that we're going to talk about are these unicorn pans. And I found this specifically, guys, they had a display and they were all there, like nobody had touched them. They were 15 cents each. So the first we have is this little cake pan. There's 2 per, 15 cents. So it's like I'm paying 7.5 cents per pan. And here's the UPC if you want to check in the Dollar General app. So that was just a really good deal. And then we also have these for grilling, and we do a lot of grilling in this house. And it's by the same company, Jiffy Foil. And here is the UPC. And this guy was also 15 cents. This was my absolute favorite find today. And then at the same store, I found a lot of seeds. Now these seeds, here's something interesting about them. A lot of them expire towards the end of the year. But I have a friend who's really big into gardening, and she's like, no, you can use those in the next couple years. You might not get as many sprouts, but it's still just as good. And these were ringing up for 2 cents each. If you can find like a decent amount of them, that's definitely the way to go. Or if this is something you want to pursue, gardening, I know it's not for everybody, but I did get a couple like basil, cilantro, that sort of thing. The one that is for $1, these are ringing up for a penny, but it's part of that sale. But anyhow, I just got a handful of them. Most of them were 2 cents each. I didn't go too crazy because that expiry date is pretty quick. But stuff that we'll use for the house, I thought maybe next year I could try growing. Even if it doesn't work, you know, I'll give it a shot. We have a lot of these super cute napkins. So everything that was 4th of July themed, these were 5 cents each. So here is the UPC. And these larger ones were also, I believe, 5 cents. You know, just napkins. Nothing too extravagant. And then these fancier pink ones were ringing up for 7 cents each. And I believe the True Living brand is the Dollar General brand, but yeah, still nice. So it's that green dot. All of these Mickey Mouse summer plates for 4th of July were ringing up for 9 cents each, which is a really great price point. And so stinking cute as well. And these larger ones, also 9 cents. I did get quite a few of these cups because I thought they were very, very cute. And it has the Minnie and the Mickey, and they were 5 cents each. Look high and low on the displays because this was at a very bottom shelf, and that's where I found it. So I was like, oh, that's really nice. This plastic table cover was 10 cents. Just a way to dress up a table, I guess. It's called Picnic Plaid. I wish it was the blue, like the Bath & Body Works colors, but I guess we can't have it all. But still very, very cute. And then a whole bunch of different jump ropes. These larger ones for Double Dutch were 10 cents a piece. They only had 2 left in the store, but I grabbed a bunch of them. You know, it's something you can give the kids next door or a niece or nephew, and it keeps them busy for an afternoon. And then these little single skipping ropes were 5 cents each. I got both the plastic and the corded ones. And just to show you the UPC, hopefully it focuses. There's one for these plastic ones, and then I'll show you the nicer corded ones. But like 5 cents is a really great price point for this, you know? And I guess that grease stain comes for free with it, so. Okay, and then this I thought was kind of interesting. It's some sort of like fabric soccer ball. So the original price point for this was 10 and it was 50 cents. And I don't know, I just thought it was kind of cool. Ball, if it'll ever focus, and there it is. We have a little Grinch back here. Those skipping ropes are for kids, not for cats. What do you want? What do you want? Suzu, you stay away from those. I bet you it's not even a grease stain. She's probably just licking the cardboard. Susie. Oh, look, violence immediately when she doesn't get her way. Okay, moving along, we have these little garden. It's a pressure sprayer. So this thing, I bought one of these a couple weeks back, and I think I must have paid, I don't know, a little bit for it the last clearance event. But I paid 25 cents for these, so that is just a great price point. So I got 2 of them. So I'm not much into gardening or these faux succulents because this is plastic, but I just thought these were so cute, and they're just little piggies, and they were 15 cents each. Original price point is $3. And there is the UPC. I don't know, I just thought they were super, super cute. You know, throw one of those in the bathroom or something like that. Just adorable. Hello. We have these little gardening flags. Now they had 2 different shapes. They had these larger ones, and then they had ones that were itty bitty that you put deep into your garden. And I'm like, oh, that's not gonna work. So we have one that's welcome friends and a little one with a bunny. And here is one of the UPCs for this. 15 cents for this, original price point $3. Really good little dealio. And then the H2O to go, these balls, beach balls, were 5 cents each, so just different colors. And here's the UPC. This is a really good find. And then I did find, because 2 of my nieces really love Frozen, these Disney themed ones were 15 cents each, so I broke off a little bit of cash to do this one. So I got them both 1 each. And then also we have the Spider-Man one. And here is the UPC for Spider-Man. So I know a lot of you go out to the Dollar General on Saturday to do the 5 off of 25. If you by chance should see like a summer fun in the sun, this sort of stuff in the store, and you want to open up the Dollar General app and do a couple scans to see what things are ringing up for, if this is stuff that you might like, or you know, you might use for your household for next summer. Obviously you're gonna have to store a lot of this stuff. You know, stuff like this you can absolutely use, but a lot of this stuff has to get stored for next summer. Absolutely make it happen. We'll catch you guys in the next one.